With the improvement of science and technology, the application of renewable energy has become a global development trend. Solar energy is a potential clean energy with abundant reserves. China has become the world's largest photovoltaic application market in 2013, and the annual power generation of global photovoltaic plants is expected to exceed 1,500 billion. Inhenergy is a wholly subsidiary of the Inhenergy Group, focusing on the R&D and manufacturing of string photovoltaic, the core equipment in the field of distributed photovoltaic power generation. The company adheres to the core competitiveness of product stability, reliability, and high performance. Inhenergy has always insisted on R&D investment and technological innovation. It has a variety of products with independent intellectual property rights and has obtained 4 domestic and foreign authoritative certifications and 9 patents through the mastery of the core technology of solar inverters and strict control of the quality management system. It has accumulated a wealth of industry application experience and established a good market reputation. Products of Inhenergy are stable, safe, reliable with simple design. Inhenergy's products are suitable for household, commercial, and various energy storage power station scenarios. The power of photovoltaic grid-connected inverter covers 1 kilowatt to 100 kilowatts, and photovoltaic energy storage inverter 3 kilowatts to 6 kilowatts. Single-phase photovoltaic inverter 1 kilowatt to 6 kilowatt series. Single-phase photovoltaic inverter 5 kilowatt to 8 kilowatt series. Single-phase photovoltaic inverter 7 kilowatt to 10 kilowatt series. 3-phase photovoltaic inverter 5 kilowatt to 10 kilowatt series. 3-phase photovoltaic inverter 13 kilowatt to 22 kilowatt series. 3-phase photovoltaic inverter 25 kilowatt to 33 kilowatt series. 3-phase photovoltaic inverter 50 kilowatt to 100 kilowatt series. Photovoltaic energy storage inverter 3 kilowatt to 6 kilowatt series. Efficient market development and good product adaptation both reflect the vision and persistence of Inhenergy, adhering to the product upgrade concept of manufacturing generation, R&D generation, conceiving generation. Inhenergy provides customer with more matching services by offering new technology and new products. Inhenergy takes power the world with sunlight as its vision, seeking common development and share future achievement.